Welcome friends to today's video. Today's video features natural fat burning foods. Up until now, you must have been only given a long list of what not to eat. But today, we will discuss a list of fat burning foods which you can eat without regrets. On top of this list come peanuts. Peanuts are one of the tastiest and the healthiest snacks which can help you in your fight against fats. Following a proper training regimen and balanced diet can bring you closer to your goal. However, the ill timing of your cravings and feeling hungry all the time can disrupt all your plans, and we are here to show you how to deal with it in this video. Next in the list are nuts. Walnuts, hazelnuts and almonds. Besides being healthy, they can also help you in your weight loss mission. Nuts lower cholesterol levels and supply body with fiber and amino acids that prevent heart problems. Coconut oil is known worldwide for its healing properties. 90% of coconut oil contains fatty acids, fatty alcohols, polyphenols which are responsible for its characteristic aroma and flavor, and vitamin E, K and minerals. Coconut oil strengthens the immune system and improves metabolic activities and digestion too. Further in the list come chia seeds. These medicinal seeds are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein and antioxidants. They are gluten-free and contain 5 times more calcium than milk and 7 times more vitamin C than citrus. Chia seeds make you feel full for long and stop you from overeating. You have been avoiding full-fat yogurt and preferred yogurt with less fat percentage over it? Then you gotta stop and switch. First, yogurts contain high sugar content. Secondly, full-fat yogurts contain probiotics, a good bacteria with positive effects on body. You could also include beans and legumes in your diet because you won't find a better plant source of protein than them. So friends, these were some healthy foods which could help you in your mission to get in shape. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.